I think this is our peak though.
Oh, this is cold. This is really cold. 11,000 feet up in the sky. Clouds are right there. Oh, it's chilly. Like, it's only 40. It's only 40 Fahrenheit. Wind's off. There's snow out there. We can see it. Not Wisconsin, Wyoming. We just left Montana. Back in the warm car.